What's the first thing you do when you get paid? Do you celebrate, treat yourself, or just pay bills and forget the rest? Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful steps you should take every time you get paid. Trust me, if you make this your routine, your future self is going to thank you big time. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Pay your bills in order of importance. Here's a little tough love. Your bills don't care about your excuses. Start with your needs: housing, utilities, food. Then tackle your wants. And don't mix the two. Starbucks isn't a need, your rent is. Pro tip: always list your bills in order of priority. This makes it easier to stay on track, even if something unexpected comes up. It's all about making your money decisions before your money makes decisions for you. Here's another layer to this: differentiate between fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses, like rent and insurance, are consistent. Variable expenses, like groceries or utilities, can fluctuate, but you still need to prioritize them. Knowing the difference can help you budget more effectively. Step 2. Crush bad debt for good. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Debt is stealing your future. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar you can't invest, save, or enjoy. Start with the worst offenders: high-interest credit cards, car loans, or any debt on things that are losing value. Throw as much money as you can at these every paycheck. Debt is often marketed as necessary for a good life. That's a lie. The truth: debt chains you to a cycle of earning just to pay it off. Break free by adopting strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method. Small victories, like paying off one balance, can motivate you to tackle the next. Step 3. Invest in your future. Let me ask you this: do you think saving money alone will make you rich? Spoiler alert, it won't. Saving is great, but investing is what builds wealth. Every time you get paid, you should invest something. Start with your employer's 401k match if they offer one. That's free money. Then look into a Roth IRA or index funds. And don't overcomplicate it. Investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Here's a mindset shift: investing isn't for rich people, it's how people become rich. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. Don't underestimate the power of compounding. It's essentially your money earning money. Over time, that snowball effect turns small contributions into substantial wealth. There you have it, 3 steps to make your paycheck work for you instead of the other way around. Now, here's your challenge: start with just one of these steps. Maybe it's prioritizing your bills, investing, or tackling your debt. Let me know in the comments which step you're going to try first. And hey, if you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, the best person to take care of the future you is the present you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.